Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Video 4 or 3, whichever. Alright, quick and dirty. So I spray painted it black. So all the windows are masked off. So now, same with the hole and everything. Let's see if I can stick a light in there, take off some of the masking, and see how it worked. But for now, got lovely soldering. So I got your regular soldering iron, more expensive, whatever you want to spend. All right, got two of the light LEDs right here. You got the 3mm and the 1.5, I believe. All right, so basically to begin with is you get your magnet wire. Just hold the tip to the tip. It'll burn off that first layer of like a little enamel coating to get actual down to the metal. So now, take that. One second, get some type of tool. Guess these will do for right now. What I usually do is put a little. Let's see if you can see that. Put a little hook at the end of the LED terminal, whatever. Same thing with this. Just make a little hook. So you can get that to focus a little. And just basically hook it on up. Kind of twist the wire a little and press down on the LED part. So basically now you have basically you have a decent connection right here already. Now the fun of solder. Basic solder. See if you can get it to work. There we go. Just basic soldering should melt the little enamel of the wire. I usually go first and melt it beforehand. So there we go. One wire connected. I'm running a resistor from the battery pack, so I'm not going to be using the supplied resistors on every single LED, but as long as you have at least one from the battery to the LEDs, you should be fine. You're running maybe 10, you only need one resistor. If you're running more than that, putting a resistor on each one would be advantageous because you blow it out. My basic thing is I'm running a 9-volt battery, and it runs at least 10 to 15 LEDs, the small ones, fairly well. So it should work out well. Alright, take a small break and I'll wire up these two LEDs, and then we'll be back for see if it lights it. Alright, be right back. Let you kind of see what I'm doing. Trial and error, usually error. Alright, got that one. If you have a pair of those little helping hands things, probably be worthwhile. I hardly ever do this type of work, so somebody get them. Alright. That's one LED. Alright, be right back. Alright. I got both of them wired up. Right now, I'm just taking some of the masking of it. I'm not going to take it out of all of them because I still need to paint the whole thing gray. So I just want to see what's going on in here. Do a test. Use this like a little metal pokey stick or toothpick. Get all stuff out. Hopefully. Maybe toothpick would be better. Let's see. That's a little bit better. Alright. Do the whole row. Yep, toothpick works better. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna set up the lights. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and see if I can poke this in. I need some thicker paint, but looks like the bottom light will make do just for the one LED. Excellent. As I said, yeah, I'm gonna need like 10 layers of paint to light block it. But it's not too bad. A little bit more subdued in real life. Alright. Success, mostly. As always, mostly. Alright, so I guess the next step is remask this and apply another 3-4 layers of paint. On the regular plastic model, you have the gray plastic, and it's somewhat of a light barrier. So only maybe a coat of paint inside and a coat of paint outside will work as a good light block. These things are all totally clear. You see now, just like glows like a sunbeam in there, even right now in the light. So more layers of paint, but going in the right direction. That's always good. Alright, so I guess next time I'm going to apply a few more layers of paint to this and all the rest of the kit. And make sure I clean up on the way. Messed up a few things. So the next time, hopefully, should be a little bit of time because it would take me a while, is to remask this one and then to airbrush black the whole thing. And then I'm tempted to go to Walmart or Target or something, get a spray can of Krylon or something, and really just layer a nice thick coat of paint to light block it. Though I worry about destroying details doing that. But it being a TOS, details are a little bit few and far between anyway. So I might do that. Alright, that's it for this particular update. Next one should see most of the painting done. And one second. There's a whole big controversy, I want to say, or dilemma, or discussion about what color the TOS Enterprise is. And on this particular thing, I came up with something I use, and that's what I'm going to use on this one. And sadly, testers has kind of discontinued a lot of their paints. That this one might not exist anymore, so if you can find it, grab it. This is Model Master Fulcrum Gray Green. It's lightened slightly with a little bit of white. Yeah, to me it's a good TOS Enterprise color, and that's what I'm going to do for the space station. So I'm going to probably blow a whole bottle doing that. So, and until next time, it'll be a little bit. It'll take me at least a few days to finish cleaning up, putting LEDs in, and painting, and all other things, so maybe a whole week. So until next time, thank you for watching.